Morning everyone. Today we will discuss about lecture number 6 of unit 3. In this lecture we will discuss some hurricanes. It's also a type of disaster. Hurricanes may have a diameter of 400 to 500 miles. The eye center of a hurricane can be up to 20 miles across. When they move from sea to land, they pack such a tremendous force. They surge with enormous waves and drops heavy rains. A hurricane can produce winds higher than 155 miles per hour. A hurricane can produce wind higher than 155 miles per hour. They can also generate they can also generate tornadoes. रिकवरी प्रोसेस की अगर बात करें तो द डिजास्टर रिकवरी प्रोसेस इज नॉट ईजी as the people who have experienced a major disaster can attest to, but it is possible to recover, rebuild, the move on. Click the link above to learn more about things you can do now that will help you later when going through the disaster recovery process. There are many disaster aid organizations that specialize in disaster relief and recovery that you can contact for assistance if needed. Print off this list and keep it with your disaster survival supplies. In the event you need someone to contact for असिस्टेंट. अगर हम पैंडमिक की बात करें आज के समय करंट सिचुएशन के हिसाब से, अगर पैंडमिक की बात करें तो दे कैन अकर व्हेन अ न्यू इन्फ्लुएंजा अ वायरस इमर्ज फॉर विच there is a little or no immunity in the human population. Without human immunity, serious illness spread easily person to person, regional and then worldwide. तो आप इसमें देख रहे होंगे कि पैंडमिक डिसीज़ के टाइम पे क्या होता है कि सीरियस इलनेस स्प्रेड होती है और पर्सन टू पर्सन ये चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं बढ़ती है, स्प्रेड होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल द 2009 फ्लू पैंडमिक was a global outbreak from a new strain of H1N1 influenza virus, often referred to as swine flu. The virus, first described in April 2009, appeared to be new strain of H1N1 which resulted when a previous triple restoration of bird, pig and human flu viruses further combined with a Eurasian pig flu virus. Three flu pandemics happened in 19वीं शताब्दी में तीन हुए. Near the end of the World War First and 1980 were the most severe of the century. It killed about 6,75,000 people in the United States and between 20 to 50 million people around the world. If you check your family history, you may find how your family was affected at that time. Almost everyone was touched in some way by the 1980 फ्लू पैंडमिक. अदर्स इन 90s वर लेस सीवियर. ठीक है, मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो 1918 में जो फ्लू पैंडमिक की कंडीशन क्रिएट हुई थी, उस कंडीशन में देखा जाए तो हर एक आदमी उस चीज़ से कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्टेड था. जैसा कि आज के समय में कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, इस चीज़ से ये मान लो हर आदमी कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्टेड होगा, ये मान लो. ठीक है, तो यही चीज़ मैं इसमें बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि 1918 में 1900 में भी एक ऐसा पैंडमिक आया था जिससे भी सारी चीज़ें हुई थी, क्योंकि 6,75,000 लोग अगर उसमें नुकसान हुए हैं अगर केवल अमेरिका में, और 20 to 50 मिलियन पीपल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. तो देयर मतलब बहुत बड़ा डेटा ऐसा है कि ये कहीं ना कहीं इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है. So the CDC estimate that 43 million to 89 million people had H1N1 between April 2009 and April 2010. They had estimate between 8,870 and 18,300 H1N1 related deaths. On August 10, 2010, the World Health Organization (WHO) declared end to the global H1N1 flu pandemic. ठीक है, 19 अगस्त 2010 में WHO ने इसको क्या कर दिया, वर्ल्ड डिक्लेयर कर दिया, ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड के लिए इस पैंडमिक को डिक्लेयर कर दिया था. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर, सम प्रिपेयरनेस फॉर रिगार्डिंग दिस. यू नीड टू स्टार्ट प्लानिंग न्यू बिफोर अ क्राइसिस अकर. यू नीड टू बी रेडी व्हेन इट फर्स्ट अराइव्स इन योर एरिया. इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी गिवन ऑन लोकल टीवी. radio, website, and then in the newspaper. Limiting contacts among people early will save more lives. Making plans now will help you to be ready the next flu pandemic, which could last up to several months. Make a list of important contacts for home, school, and work. Talk with your neighbors, workplace, and school about how to plan for staying home. If you and your household member are sick, think about services you may need and make plans with services provider. Although it may last several months, buy and store at least 2 week supply of food, water, medicine, and face mask. Food and supplies may be hard to get during a pandemic when you have to stay home. These supplies will support your family and pets. Be aware, plans and plan ahead and share with others what you have learned. अदर डिजीज़ के बारे में बात करें, EN71 वायरस. ENTRO virus 71 is a type of hand, foot, and mouth disease that children are susceptible to. On May 3, 2008, Chinese Health Authority reported a major outbreak of EV71 and enterovirus in Fuang City and other localities in Anhui, Jinghai, and Guangdong province. As May 3, 2008, 3736 cases, mainly in children, have been reported with 22 deaths and 42 critically ill, and 415 new cases have been reported in the last 24 hours in Fuang City alone. H5N1 avian flu, much certain today is focused on H5N1 avian flu. Virus is a virus that currently only spread via word to human contact. There are widespread fear to virus may mutate to be able to spread to human contact, which could cause an influenza pandemic similar to the 1980 influenza pandemic that killed approximately 3% of the world population. SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. SARS is a respiratory disease in humans that nearly became a pandemic outbreak between November 2002 and July 2003. 8096 were known to be infected with 774 death and mortality rate of 9.6. Superbugs के बारे में बात करें, superbugs are normally bacteria that have developed resistance to most major antibiotics. This resistance is often due to the overseas and misuse of antibiotics. Tsunami. A tsunami is produced by an underwater disturbance such as the volcanic eruption, earthquake, and landslide that can travel hundreds of miles per hour in open ocean before smashing into land with waves and high 100 feet or more. Most tsunamis occur along the Pacific Rim, as known the Ring of Fire. The rings of fire extend about 40,000 kilometers along, stretching from New Zealand along the eastern edge of Asia, north across the Atlantic islands of Alaska, the south along the coast of North and South America. This is a basic tsunami effects. Earthquake include movement of the ocean floor most often generate tsunamis. If a major earthquake or landslide occur close to shore, the first wave in the series could reach the beach in the few minutes, even before a warning is issued. From the area before it originates, wave travel outward in the direction. Once the wave approaches the shore, it will be in height. The topography of the coastline and the ocean floor will influence the size of the wave. There may be more than one wave and succeeding one may be too larger than the one before. Areas are the greater risk if they are less than 25 feet above sea level and within a mile of the shoreline. Drawing in the most common cause of death associated. These waves and receding water are very destructive to structure to run up zone. Other hazards include flooding, contamination of drinking water, and fires from gas lines and rupture tanks. तो इस लेक्चर में मैंने अर्थक्वेक के बारे में, सुनामी के बारे में, पैंडमिक के बारे में, कुछ सारी पैंडमिक के बारे में भी हमने डिस्कस किया. तो थैंक यू.